Alam mo ba, nasa Bible na itong issue na ito tungkol sa mga anak na corrupt na leader na nagpo-flaunt ng stolen wealth. You lie on fancy beds, eat the finest food, drink wine by the bowlful, use the best perfumes, but you do not care about the ruin of your nation. So even then, God will rebuke their leaders and their fans who are living in luxury while the nation suffers. Children are not automatically guilty of their parents' sins if they choose to live differently. But if they're flaunting wealth or benefiting from injustice, they share accountability before God. So when the children of corrupt leaders post luxury bags, trips, cars, and while communities drown in floods, this isn't new. God hates arrogance that ignores suffering. The issue isn't just a bag or vacation. It's the heart that celebrates stolen comfort while others hate it. The Bible makes it clear God sees, God judges, and God will act. So let me ask you, if children flaunt stolen wealth, should we expose it or stay silent? Kasi